I'm Savannah, and me too. Oh, someone's over there.
Hi, I'm Holly, and I'm going to be downstairs.
I'm Maria, and I am checking for spiritual activity.
I'm Emily, and I'm checking for temperature dips.
We're gonna find some ghosts.
Are there any? Okay. Nice to meet you guys. Are y'all going to take it easy on us? Thank you, appreciate it.
Thank you.
Oh, wait, yeah. Are y'all single?
Holly.
You never know. Keep it going. Okay. Is that you?
What's our temp reading?
Wait,
It's still going off like crazy.
is that you making everything go crazy? Yes.
It's like crazy.
That's crazy.
Look at the rods. Oh my god.
Are you walking around? It said yes.